right, come on in. Wow, you look great. So tell me, what do you think the Doodlebops are up to today? I don't know either, so let's go find out.
We're the Doodlebops, we're the Doodlebops, oh yeah. Come and join the fun, cause we're laughing and we're singing all day. We're the Doodlebops, we're the Doodlebops, we're the Doodlebops. No place better know you're gonna wanna stay. Here we are together. Dee-Dee!
Rooney! Mo!
Doing everything we love to do.
Oh yes. It's very, very clear.
We are happy that you are here. Together we're the Doodlebops. We'll sing and dance with you. We're the Doodlebops.
Let's bring a sound around.
Hey everybody!
It's time for
The Doodlebops! I'm Dee-Dee Doodle.
I'm Rooney Doodle. And
Where's Mo?
where's Mo?
Where's Mo? Come, help us look for him. Mo?
Mo?
Mo? A speaker? What's this doing here? Where's that sound coming from? Over there? Whoa!
Do you know where Mo is? Are you sure? Ta-da! Here I am!
You're a tricky one, Mo. Now let's go. I'm Dee-Dee Doodle.
I'm Rooney Doodle. I'm Mo Doodle.
And we're the Doodlebops.
The Doodlebops?
No, the Doodlebops.
No kidding. Sounds the same to me.
It's time for the Doodlebop Pledge.
You know the pledge?
Come on, say it with us.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. We promise to share. We promise to care. All together as a team. Just stick to it. We can do it. We can do anything. Stand tall. Say it loud. We're together and we're proud.
Dee-Dee.
Rooney. Mo. Yeah!
I hereby pledge to always listen to the pledge.
I got you guys so good. Check it out. You press this button here, and sound comes out over there. Isn't this the best hide-and-seek toy ever?
What happens if you press all the buttons at once?
I don't know. I never tried it. Let's see.
It's loud!
Very loud! Too loud! Turn it up! That's not supposed to happen.
Pardon me?
I said that's not supposed
Sorry, I can't hear you. My ears are ringing from all this loud noise. And you sound so far away.
A sound problem, you say? I have an idea that might help. I've got a new invention. It's really kind of cool. Hey, let me share it with you. It's truly quite amazing, all the stuff you can hear with a great big ear. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Voila! Finished.
Sorry. Still not hearing you.
It's my newest invention. It helps you hear better.
Whoa! Does it ever? What do you call it?
Well, It brings all the sounds around us closer and makes them louder for your ears to hear.
Then why don't you call it the Bring a Sound Arounder?
Bring a sound arounder. Catchy.
Amazing. Not only can I hear again, but I can hear all sorts of things. Oh, you didn't have breakfast this morning. I can hear your stomach growling. Oh, but you did take a bath. I can hear the faucet dripping. Oh, I can even hear jazz coming.
Really? It's jazz!
Shabba dabba dee bop, baba dee wop, shabba dabba dee bop. Why? Shabba dabba dee bop, ooh, baba dee wop, shabba dabba dee bop.
What's new, Doodle Crew?
We're playing with Rooney's new invention. It's called the Bring a Sound Arounder.
What does it do? Can you give me a clue?
Tell her what it does.
Well, imagine it this way. By putting your hands beside your ears,
It's like having bigger ears.
And the bigger your ears,
the bigger the sound is.
I don't mean to smirk, but does it really work?
Well, try it yourself. And you too. Put your hands beside your ears like this. Now, can you hear what I'm saying?
I can. Better than before. Sound really is fun to explore. Your Bring a Sound Arounder makes sounds come near into your ear, and everything you hear is clear. If I were you, I'd make a few. Tell the world about this toy. It can bring a lot of joy. Oh, you know, I gotta go. See you later, alligators.
In a while, crocodile.
How did she do that?
You know, Jasmine was right. Imagine how great it would be if we could all listen to each other better.
Yeah.
I've got to get the word out.
How can we help?
By making a music video.
There's just one little thing I gotta do first.
Not again.
Don't pull the rope.
Don't pull the rope.
Don't pull the rope.
The ropes were made for pulling.
Come on, Mo.
Let's go.
Hey, Murph.
Well, greetings, hep cats. What's moving? What's shaking? What's up?
We're going to make a video for Rooney's great new invention.
Well, that sounds like it's gonna be fun.
If we get this right, by the time we're finished, everybody will want one. Okay, Dee, come with me. I need you to stand here and hold the product like so.
Product?
Right. Okay, Mo, over here. Now, I need you to say something and make it sound important. And don't forget to smile.
The Bring a Sound Arounder is really good. You should get one because it's really good.
You call that a smile? Better. All right, Murph, I think we're ready. Let's kick it.
All right, willing and able, baby.
Get up and dance with us.
Hey, that's the spirit. Ready? Okay, let's hit it. Yeah.
Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around.
I've got a new invention. It's really kind of cool. Hey, let me share it with you. It's truly quite amazing just how much you can hear with a great big ear.
Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around.
You can try this gizmo anytime or anywhere. There's really nothing to it. Let me show you. No matter if it's day or night, come rain or shine, you can hear the magic of my latest design.
Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around.
This is Audio Murphy. Bark at me. You what? You want to buy 10 of them? Well, we'll send them right over. Hey, somebody wants to buy 10 of them.
Our very first customer.
Nice work, Rooney. So, now that we're done...
We have an idea for a cool new dance break for tonight's show!
Yeah. Oh, sorry guys, no time. My Bring a Sound Arounders don't make themselves, you know. So much business to attend to. Supply chain issues.
Supply chain issues?
Rooney has never been too busy for a dance practice before.
I know. It's Bus Driver Bob!
Now, how many did you want again?
Rooney! Didn't you hear? Bus Driver Bob!
Yeah.
Thanks. Later, Murph.
Bye, Murph!
See you, Murph.
Yeah, we'll catch you on the flip side. Oh, no, not you. You stay on the line. Now, how many did you want again?
Hey, Doodlebops!
Hey, Bob.
Hey, Dee.
Let's get on the bus. Let's get on the bus.
It's time to go!
Let's get on the bus.
Hey, don't you know?
Let's get on the bus.
Go here to there.
Let's get on the bus.
Go everywhere.
Come with me, and we'll see all there is to see. You can be who you want to be. We can go anywhere today. Yeah. It's okay. We know Bob always knows the way. All aboard, there's no time to delay. Come along, we can sing and play. Yeah. Let's get on the bus.
It's time to go.
Let's get on the bus.
It's time for the show.
Let's get on the bus.
Over here to there.
Let's get on the bus.
Go everywhere. Hey, come on. We're gonna take a bus ride. Yeah, come on. We're gonna take a bus ride. Yeah, come on inside. We're gonna take a bus ride. Everybody on board. Strike a chord. We're gonna take a bus ride.
That was great, Doodlebops. All right, buckle up. We're on our way.
What do you mean the child pickle got crossed with the wave wobbler?
You know, Rooney, I love my Bring a Sound Arounder. I can't believe how much more I can hear. Just listen to those birds sing. Beautiful, I tell you. Beautiful.
DW, FYI, I need to get you an RSVP on that IPO. Okay? CC me ASAP.
What's he talking about? I thought it went A, B, C, D.
It does, Mo. He's just talking business talk again. Rooney, we need to talk.
Regular talk, if you please. Your Bring a Sound Arounder is good. Really.
But you're just spending too much time trying to get out to people.
And you're ignoring things like...
I hear you loud and clear.
Yeah.
We got distribution in China. Fantastic.
And I thought he was listening to us. Hello? Oh, it's for you.
Bob, where are we going? I just wanted to take a closer listen to some of the animals I've been hearing with this duty. I bet you can't guess what that was. Whoa. Check it out! It's an elephant! And what about this creature? A polar bear! I can't fool you guys. You are smart cookies.
Hello, polar bear.
Oh.
Next stop, the concert hall.
See you, Bob.
Bye.
Bye, Bob.
Bye.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, guys. All right. Who wants some autographs?
Yeah.
All right. Here you go. This way.
Where's Rooney?
Oh, I think he's still on the bus.
Have I worn them myself? No, not yet, but I'm sure they're very comfortable. Okay, I'm trying it on right now. Hold on.
All day it's been bring a sound of this, bring a sound of that.
Hold on, I'm picking something
For
up.
someone whose invention that helps you hear things, he sure isn't listening to us.
Do you think he's planning on quitting the band?
Okay, thanks, guys. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey! Wait for me! Wait for me!
Great concert.
Hey, Jazz!
Well, hello again, my Doodlebop friends.
Hey, guys.
Hi, Rooney. Where's your invention? Where are your phones?
I have a more important question. Where's my guitar?
Oh, right here, my dear.
You mean you still want to play music with us?
You betcha. I was so busy with my gadget that helps you hear, I stopped listening to my closest friends. I'm sorry.
Hearing and listening are only kind of the same. I guess you learned that from, what's its name?
The Bring a Sound Arounder.
I like people using my invention to help them hear sounds. But I like making music with you guys a whole lot better.
Oh, Rooney.
Bring a hug around.
Oh, it's wonderful that it worked out all right. Now, do you know what you're playing tonight?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please take your
We're making some sounds.
And then we bring them around.
Ooh.
The Bring a Sound Arounder song!
They've been together through all kinds of weather. Their music is tops. Here come the Doodlebops!
Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around.
I've got a new invention. It's really kind of cool. Hey, let me share it with you. It's truly quite amazing just how much you can hear with a great big ear.
Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around.
You can try this gizmo anytime or anywhere. There's really nothing to it. Let me show you. No matter if it's day or night, come rain or shine, you can hear the magic of my latest design.
Bring the sound around. 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 Bring the sound around.
Thank you! Yeah, thanks, everybody!
This thing is so cool. I can actually hear the sound of a tow truck pulling up in front of my bus.
Tow truck? That's not good luck.
Yeah, and now the hook's coming down. Yep, they got a hook attached to the front of my bus.
Uh-oh, shouldn't you go?
Now I can actually hear the sound of my bus being towed away. Towed away? Oh no. No, wait! Stop! Stop!
I'm sliding. You like swings. And it's okay because we both like different things. Your blanket, my teddy bear. Now either one can make you happy, so let's compare. Hey now, we have a different point of view. I'm sliding, you like swings. And it's okay because we both like different things. Your blanket, my teddy bear. Now either one can make you happy, so let's compare. Knock knock.
Who's there?
You.
You who?
What is it?
Pardon me?
You said yoo-hoo. What is it?
What is what?
You said yoo-hoo. That's what you say when you want someone to listen to you. Do you want me to listen to you, Mudge?
Only when I say I'm leaving. Goodbye. And I'm taking my hot dog.
Yoo-hoo!
We're the Doodlebops, and we thank you, oh yeah. Now the time has come once again for us to say, hey, when we get together, we're always having fun. Together we're the Doodlebops, we'll sing and dance with you. We're the Doodlebops.
You have been watching the Doodlebops right here on the Veritable Quandary. This show was posted by Shadow J. And I am your super secret show snoop. My name is Gyro Screwloose. Thanks for watching.